This is Call Me Perky Doc, born name Charlie. And we weaned him about the 1st of September. Was it about the 25th or so of September now?
Mm-hmm.
We've been fooling him about 3 weeks, ground working him. Just putting a handle on him, getting him used to people being around him. They're all doing pretty good. He's out of Hickory and Lena. He's out of the mare. Weaver's Miss Laura. She goes back to Perkster. He's a big golden palomino with the blades. He's passed now. The Perkster had the highest selling colt in Montana at the Montana State University auction. 3 years he had the highest selling colt at that university auction. And that's his granddaddy. He looks a lot like him. He's colored up. He's real good minded. He's leading up, backing up, doing his flexes, doing everything really nice. Just on lateral flexing. Looked very good. He tucked his nose into his shoulder. Just pulling him around. Easy. Good boy. Good boy. He's real level-headed too. You don't get worked up very much. These are just some exercises we go through, halter breaking them, getting them where they'll lateral flex, so when you turn them, you can pull their nose around, they'll give their head to you. Good. There you